Amazon merch just opened up hats, sports sun visors, baseball caps, and trucker hats, and most sellers are still only uploading t-shirts. I'm the Cha-Ching Queen, your merch on demand news assistant here at Niche Please, and this is your fast start on hats. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to add hats to your catalog the smart way. And stick around, because there's one design mistake on hats that quietly kills sales, and I'll show you how to dodge it. Here's the real opportunity. New product types on merch are almost always undercompeted at launch. Fewer sellers, thinner niches, more room to rank. So the fix isn't waiting. It's moving now while hats are fresh. Let's walk through it step by step, starting with the 3 styles you can put designs on. First, the sport sun visor. It has no top panel, so your design lives on that narrow front band. Think short words, bold shapes, no tiny detail. Next, the baseball cap. The classic, curved front panel, structured or relaxed, and buyers expect a clean, centered graphic right on the front. Then the trucker hat. Mesh back, foam front, and a slightly retro vibe that buyers love for outdoorsy and hobby niches. Now here's the design mistake I promised. On hats, that print area is small and often curved. So shrinking a full t-shirt design onto a cap makes it a blurry, unreadable mess. The fix is simple. Design for the hat, not the shirt. Rework it into one bold icon or a few punchy words that read from across a room. Think about color, too. A design that pops on a white tee can vanish on a dark cap, so build versions that contrast against your hat colors. Quick pause. If you want deeper walkthroughs and my niche notes on stuff like this, I hang out in our Skool community. The link's in the description, and there's a lot of valuable extra stuff waiting for you in there. Okay, but here's where it really gets interesting, because the design is only half the battle. The listing is what actually gets your hats found. On hats, your keywords have to match how people actually shop. Nobody searches cool graphic hat. They search fishing trucker hat or pickleball baseball cap. So in your title, brand, and bullets, name the hat type and the niche together. That combo is what pulls in buyers who already want to buy. And choose your niches with intent. Hats are gifts, dad, grandpa, coach, hobby, occupation, wearable, giftable, repeatable. Now about money. I'm not throwing out royalty numbers because Amazon updates those. Always check your live royalty right in the merch dashboard before you price a hat. Price with a room to earn in mind, but don't scare buyers off. Test a price, watch what sells, and adjust. Hats are a fresh market, so let the data teach you. Here's a workflow trick. Take your best-selling shirt designs and reimagine the strongest ones as hats. Proven demand, brand new product slot. Then bundle the look, offer the same niche as a tee, a hoodie, and a hat so one happy buyer can grab the whole set. And don't forget the mock-up. Buyers can't try a hat on, so a clear, well-placed design preview does the selling for you. So here's the payoff on that mistake I opened with. Sellers who just shrink shirt art onto hats will look sloppy. And you, designing bold and hat-specific, quietly outrank them in a wide-open market. Your action today. Pick one proven niche, design one clean, bold hat graphic, write a title that names the hat type and the niche, and upload it. Just one. Momentum starts there. Design for the hat, match your keywords to the niche, and check your live royalty before pricing. Do that and you're ahead of most sellers. Subscribe to the Niche Please channel so you never miss a merch on demand update, and come join us in the Skool community linked in the description. This was the Cha-Ching Queen. See you next time.